When you see me, you better run. Playing duck, duck, goose with my gun. When you see me, you better run.
What is up, guys? It's 5 in the evening and I am currently going to service center to obviously service my car, because you already know I have done more than 11,000 kilometers in my car and I haven't serviced yet. And I hope you guys like this new camera angle, so I'm trying it out. If it turns out to be good, I will keep it, otherwise I will remove it. I had scheduled the appointment for this morning. For some reason I could not make it, so I'm going right now in the evening. I hope the lift is empty. Lift in the sense, you know, the lift which lifts up your car. That's the only service center which has lift in my hometown, so it has a lot of demand. So let me explain you what all I'm going to service today. One is obviously oil change and oil filter change. I will see if the air filter is good. If it's not good, I will order a new one and change that too. And cabin filter is obviously good because I changed it like 4 months ago. And my left front headlight is not working. Not the whole headlight, but the high beam is not working, so I have to service that as well. I hope it's the light but not the wiring. And coming to the parts in the sense, you know, engine oil and oil filter. I got the engine oil in local shop. I got the Valvoline full synthetic. Last time, I don't remember last time which one I got. Coming to the oil filter, I got the oil filter from Bootmo. So it took me 15 damn days to get it delivered. The moment I got the oil filter, I opened it and what the hell, man? How the hell people overtake in blind commerce? I ordered the GM air filter itself. GM is written on the box, but the seal was broken, so I'm kind of confused about that. I obviously did a return request and Bootmo sent me a link through which I can, you know, send the parcel back and get a new one. But then again, I can't wait for 15 days for it to go back, 15 days for it to come, so I decided to install it. It's not bad, it's good. Like, I opened it, I have showed it to my, you know, mechanic. He was like, it's fine, it's from GM only, no need to worry. Yeah, one more thing is I'm getting some keech kind of sound from right rear suspension of my car. It's there since 3-4 months, but it was going extreme till yesterday. But then yesterday I took my car to a playground, empty playground, and I did unlimited drift. Drove there like a maniac. I was just flooring the car in second gear and, you know, playing in the ground. If you guys are following me on Instagram, then you will know what I have done. Dust storm, hashtag dust storm. So after doing that, I came back to home. I took my car today morning and absolutely zero suspension noise from the car. I seriously don't know what happened, but still I'm gonna get it checked. Service center is like next street from my home. It's just 2 kilometers away, so I'll be driving in first, second gear only. That is the reason I'm not wearing seatbelt. Khali hai na lift? Right, I'll meet you inside the shed. See ya for now. Right, guys, I just got the delivery done and here is what it looks like. For changing engine oil, he charged 400. I got 2 liter coolant, that's 440, and distilled water is 60, and headlight bulb, I changed the headlight bulb. There was an issue with the bulb, so that costed me around 110 rupees. So for me it costed 3k for oil, 1500 for oil filter, which is 4500 plus this 5500. That's it, guys. It's just 5500 for servicing your Cruze. I don't know why people overcomplicate things, man. But if you are taking it to service center, then boom, they will simply pull the bill up to 10,000 or 11,000 easily, very easily. Since my tires are unidirectional and one of our subscribers have found it out somehow and commented, so for that reason I checked it and it was seriously, you know, inverted, so I asked them to install properly. That's it guys, 5,500. But if you are going for a complete service, like even the diesel filter and even if you are going to change the air filter, then it's gonna cost you around 7,000 maximum 7,000. If you are buying Shell oil, then max 8,000 it will cost. Maintenance is good. Any car maintenance is, not that high. Even if you buy a BMW, you can get it serviced within 10,000. But if you lose any part in your car, just like this, I know I broke that ORVM's folding button. That simple small button is costing me 4,000, guess. And for installing that, these guys will obviously charge 300 to 400. That small button is equal to the full service of the car. And about that keech sound I told you, which was coming from right back tire, it was actually from the suspension. I don't know what do we call that, but he told me to get a new whole new setup of that. I'll put a picture over here, obviously you check it out. For some reason it got crushed inside, so I asked him to completely take it off, but he was like, no sorry, if we take it off, all dust will go inside your suspension and everything will spoil, so you better order a new one as soon as possible and get it changed. And also the mechanic, checked the whole underbody. He was like, nothing sir, it's super clean, you don't have to worry about anything.